Ever wondered how Civil War sites are preserved and restored? Today, we'll delve into the top 5 efforts to conserve these historical landmarks. These sites hold immense historical value, and their preservation is crucial for future generations to understand the past. But this isn't an easy task. It takes dedication, resources, and a deep understanding of history. We'll take you through the journey of 5 organizations that are making significant strides in these efforts. Let's start with the Gettysburg Foundation in Pennsylvania. The Gettysburg Foundation is a nonprofit organization dedicated to preserving the Gettysburg battlefield and its monuments. The foundation is tenacious in its mission, tirelessly working on restoration projects to keep the history alive. Alongside monument conservation, they also provide educational programs to instill a deep appreciation for the Civil War's history in future generations. Their work, a testament to the power of preservation, ensures that the echoes of the past continue to resonate. Now, let's journey to our next destination, the nationwide work of the Civil War Trust. The Civil War Trust is an organization on a mission to secure and restore battlefields across the country. This tireless effort spans from coast to coast, safeguarding the grounds where history was shaped. The Trust's successes are numerous, from rescuing hallowed sites to restoring them to their former glory. But the work is far from over. Ongoing projects continue to protect these landmarks, ensuring that future generations can learn from the past. Moving on, let's explore the preservation efforts at the Shiloh National Military Park in Tennessee. Shiloh National Military Park is a significant Civil War site, rich in history and well-preserved. This site is meticulously maintained, with several initiatives in place, from restoration projects to public engagement programs. Efforts are focused on preserving the integrity of historical structures and landscapes, ensuring that the story of the Civil War remains alive for future generations. It's a testament to the dedication of those who value our shared past. Next up, we're off to Virginia to explore the restoration projects at the Fredericksburg and Spotsylvania National Military Park. Fredericksburg and Spotsylvania National Military Park comprises 4 Civil War battlefields, each with unique preservation challenges. Over the years, dedicated teams have undertaken numerous restorations, from maintaining battlefield landscapes to conserving historic structures. The diverse terrain adds complexity to these efforts, but through collaborative strategies and innovative solutions, significant strides have been made. These successes underscore the importance of preserving these sites, keeping alive the memory of the Civil War era. Lastly, let's dive into the conservation efforts at Fort Sumter National Monument, South Carolina. Fort Sumter National Monument, where the Civil War began, is a site of considerable historical significance. It's a place that tells a story of a divided nation, and its preservation is of utmost importance. The conservation efforts here are extensive, involving meticulous restoration work and constant maintenance. The challenges are many, from weathering to the passage of time, but the determination to uphold this historic site is unwavering. Preserving our history is a collective responsibility. These top 5 efforts show us how it's possible to keep the past alive for future generations to learn from and appreciate.